Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the renewed interest in lunar exploration and the fascinating world of gravitational waves. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the moon. After decades of limited activity, there's a renewed interest in lunar exploration. Leading space agencies and private companies are setting their sights on our closest celestial neighbor. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, with plans for sustainable exploration and establishing a lunar base. SpaceX's Starship will play a crucial role in these missions, aiming to transport astronauts and cargo. Potential human settlements on the moon could serve as a base for further space exploration, including Mars. These bases would provide valuable insights into living and working in off-Earth environments. Research into sustainable habitats, life support systems, and resource utilization is critical. Technologies like 3D printing with lunar soil and extracting water from ice are being developed. Now let's shift to another exciting development: gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time, predicted by Einstein, were first detected in 2015 by LIGO. These observations provide unique insights into phenomena that are otherwise invisible. They help us understand the nature of gravity, the formation of black holes, and even the expansion of the universe. With more advanced detectors like Virgo and future projects like the Einstein telescope, we'll continue to expand our knowledge of the cosmos through gravitational waves. Thanks for joining us on this journey through lunar exploration and gravitational waves. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more space content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.